Today we're talking Amazon gadgets.
This windmill cutter comes with an automatic slicer to create perfect cubes of watermelon every time. Just run it along your favorite melon for perfect bites. Take your pet's food and water bowls anywhere. They are expandable and hold 100 ounces of food or water. When finished, simply collapse them down, fold them up, and use the included carabiner to attach them on anything. We could all use more space in our bathrooms. This outlet shelf supports up to 10 pounds and is easy to install. There's even a cutout for feeding cords. Great for your Echo, phone, or beauty essentials. It can be ordered in single or 2 packs and comes in black and white. I love my JBL earbuds, and this noise-canceling version comes with a smart case. You can control audio settings and manage calls from the case or your earbuds. Here's a clever way to collect leaves with this lawn sweeper. It has a height adjustment for sweeping different surfaces, and when you're done, simply pour the leaves into a bin. Now your hot and cold beverages can live in harmony. The left chamber is designed for hot drinks, while the right keeps drinks cold. Straining just got easier with this drainer basket. It works for hot or cold items. This pillow conduction speaker allows you to listen to your favorite music or shows while resting. Connect to your device and slip under your pillow. This Tapo camera works indoors or out. It's wireless and can run up to 300 days on a single charge. Its magnetic base means you can mount it anywhere. Wish your spatula and tongs would pair up? They have, and now easily flip pancakes and eggs. Subscribe if you like awesome products. Fulario luggage has thought of everything, a drink holder and hooks on the side, as well as a strong aluminum handle. It has a built-in holder for your phone. The front cover makes it easy to access your laptop, and there's TCA security locks. You can even charge your devices with the built-in USB. Note that a power bank is not included. It comes in 3 sizes, and the outer hard shell is scratch resistant. Inside, there's zipper compartments on one side, and the other side holds clothes in place. The wheels spin 360 degrees. Need more storage? This metal storage cart pops up when you need it and provides 3 sturdy shelves for storage. It has wheels that can be locked in place. After use, just collapse it down and put it away. This mini mop works everywhere. Clean up kitchen spills or dirty countertops. After cleaning, simply run it under water, pull the lever, and wring it out. It's ready to clean again. The sponge head is highly absorbent and can be used on tabletops, mirrors, windows, or floors. After use, hang it up to dry and store it away. This knife holder can hold 11 knives, and the design ensures your knives don't reach the bottom, preserving their sharpness. The top is removable for cleaning, and the weighted bottom keeps it from tipping. It's mosquito season, and these patches contain natural plant extracts. Simply stick them to your clothes, backpacks, or hats, and repel mosquitoes. Keep bottles out of the way with a magnetic hanger system. This cereal cup keeps your milk and cereal separate until you're ready for them to mingle. No more stale cookies or crackers thanks to this cookie keeper. It also allows you to store them upright to save space. Your bread wants to stay fresh too, and now it can with this bread container. Tired of reaching for your small appliances? Place them on this slider tray for quick access. It can hold up to 25 pounds. Quick paint touch-ups just got easier. This wall rolling paint cover works for scuffs and stains. Each coat dries in 10 minutes and it can be used anywhere. 2 coats applied 2 hours apart are recommended. This glass tumbler holds 20 ounces and comes with a lid and straw. This set of heart-shaped plates come with their own holder. These candles come in several colors. Need storage? Try these mini plastic crates which fold up and come in many colors and 2 sizes. A 13-inch laptop can fit into this puffer tote. It's spacious and comes in several colors. If you need an indoor camera to spy on your pets, consider the Genie security camera. It syncs with an app that allows you to control the camera and has 2-way audio and night vision. It rotates almost 360 degrees. There's no subscription, and you can select between 32 and 64 gigabyte storage. If you're a multiple phone household, this iWalk docking station allows you to charge 4 iWalk chargers at once. This spin brush is cordless, extends to 54 inches, and comes with 8 brush heads. Magic Tap adds a beverage dispenser to your favorite beverage containers. Simply push the lever and your beverage flows seamlessly into your cup. It's powered by 2 AA batteries which are sold separately. Great for milk, juice, and water bottles. Bag sealers are not new, but this one allows for cutting and sealing. To seal, slowly slide the device along the edge of your bag. Then flip the device over to cut the seal. Tired of trying to put ice cubes into your water bottle? Try these narrow ice trays for a perfect fit. Take care of bathroom clutter with this bathroom corner organizer. It's easy to assemble, has 2 tiers, and rubber feet to ensure it stays put. Thanks for watching. See you next week.